Hi guys, I wanted to take a few moments of your time and talk about your summer homework. I went over this at our lunch meeting, but just in case it wasn't super clear, I want to make sure that you guys have a chance to hear from me about what I expect from you in terms of your summer assignment. So this is just a little checkoff form for you. You can kind of keep track of things. You will turn this in. This form is on bright pink paper, so hopefully you have not lost it. You will turn in this form and your two investigations on Friday, August 9th, and that's the second day of school. You will have a quiz that day, and that quiz will only be on material in chapter 1. It's going to be a basic reading comprehension type test. I will not test you on any skills that you're going to practice while doing some of this coursework that I've assigned you. So just do the best you can on your investigations. If something is tricky or hard or you've never done it before, then don't overly stress about it. Just try to get the best meaning out of whatever text you're looking at. Okay, if you don't have this on Friday, August 9th, you can still turn it in for 1 week and it will automatically be only half credit. So that will definitely kill your grade early on. You can make that up throughout the semester, but you will have a very low grade for a very long time. So please be sure that you are prepared and ready to have this turned in. And please do a nice job on it. This is an AP class, it's a college level class, and I have really high expectations for you guys, really thorough work. So the first thing that you need to make sure you have done is to sign up on Remind. And I also encourage parents to sign up as well. I think that's good for them to know what you're supposed to be doing each night. I do send Remind messages home almost every single night during the week because you'll have homework almost every single night during the week. So please make sure you sign up. If you're having trouble signing up, let me know. I can add you directly. The next thing is signing up for the Google Classroom. This is imperative. All of the readings for the summer assignments are there. There's the sign-in code. Again, if you're having trouble, let me know and I can sign you up directly. The next thing is that you need to have read the UC Davis Academic Code of Conduct, which is on the back of this pink handout. So why am I having you do this? Well, this is, again, a college level course, and there is an important need for you guys to be doing your own work. You are receiving a grade bump for this class, and you potentially can receive some college credit. Additionally, plagiarism in college is a really, really big deal. I have a great story I can share with you when we get back in August about some friends of mine at UC Davis who almost got kicked out of college for just simply working on homework together. So, it's very, very serious and you need to be aware. And I understand we're not at UC Davis, but we're going to just use their academic code of conduct as a kind of a guideline. And in addition, academic dishonesty of any kind will result in you not being able to become a distinguished scholar, no matter if you have the highest GPA in your whole class. It doesn't matter. That is something really important to a lot of kids, so please make sure that you're aware of that. All right, the next thing is I broke it down to several parts. So you're going to start with the unit plan. I'm going to post a tutorial on how I want you to do that as well. First, you want to complete the self-assessment of the learning objectives. So you're going to rank your knowledge 1 through 5 and then also date it. And then when we come back in August, after we've done the work the first week of school, you're going to rank your learning objectives again. Hopefully there's some growth. Second, you're going to read all of the first page. And third, you're going to at least complete the schema activity in topic 1.1, and it's totally fine if you don't have much knowledge at this point. I just want you to take a look at that before you begin any reading for this class. All right, number 2, you're going to complete all of investigation number 1, which you'll need your textbook, you'll need some index cards, and an article, which is on the Google Classroom. So I think that's pretty straightforward, but if you have any questions, please let me know. The third thing is to complete all of investigation number 2. And you will also need your textbook, index cards, and then there are several articles for this investigation. So please make sure you look at the Google Classroom for the articles, and I will also post a tutorial on how to do this thing I call the IPA Plus. So I will go over that with you, and that's something we're going to practice a lot this year because you're going to use that strategy for incorporating text into your document-based question essays. So more on that in a little bit. The last thing is you will go back to your unit plan and complete as much of it as you're able to at this point. There's going to be stuff in there that you will not have read about that we will go over in class. But the unit plan will be due on Monday, August 19th. So you might want to get some of it done beforehand, but this will be your primary homework that first week that we're back. So just kind of thinking about, hitting the ground running. And when we get back in August, you're going to be probably in a couple AP classes and you're going to have a lot going on. So it might be good to get a head start on that. All right, the next box down here talks a little bit about your quiz on August 9th. So again, just chapter 1, make sure you've read it thoroughly when I asked you and make sure that you are ready for this comprehension test. And then the last thing, I have a supplies list for this class. You're going to need a spiral notebook with holes in it so you can put it in your binder. I recommend that down here, it talks about it. I recommend a 9x11 binder or spiral notebook, excuse me, because you're going to glue handouts into it. And it just makes it easier, but any spiral will work. You can always trim the handouts or paste them a different way. So it's not a big deal, but I know some kids like their notebooks to look really neat. Make sure you have tons of loose binder paper, 3 different color highlighters, a glue stick, 3x3 Post-its, and then index cards. We will have a reading this year in addition to our textbook, so you will be doing annotations on Post-its in that text that I give you. You guys will get that book checked out to you in August. So stock up while they're cheap if you can. Again, if you need help with materials, let me know, and I am more than happy to help you out. So the last thing on this bright pink page is you and your parent need to review the academic code of conduct and sign that you understand that you need to do your own original work at all times, okay? And cheating is not something that we take lightly in the AP classes, and really here at Dixon High School, we don't take that lightly. So please get started on what you can right now, and I will post some more tutorials coming up in the next couple days or so.